Ngadabuka kakhulu kodwa ngiyaphila ngihambe bumnyameni nathandaza manje sengiyabona Nkosi uyasebenza. I was down but I didn't fall. Through it all you heard my call. From the valley now I rise. Now I see with brand new eyes. When I call you answer me. You turn pain to victory. You will always fight for me. Ngiphakamisiwe, ngiphakamisiwe. From the ground now I'm lifted high. Ngiyakubiza somandla. And it came right on time. Umoya wephukile, not anymore. Now I'm dancing, I'm restored. Ngiyazi kuwe akukho kwehlulayo. With you Lord, I'm unstoppable. Higher, 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 higher. Ngiphakamisiwe, no more crying. I was lost but you found me. Chains broke, now I'm free. Every prayer I whisper low. Now the whole world gonna know. Ngakhala ngedwa ebusuku, ngibiza igama lakho. Wangiphendula Nkosi yami, manje sengihamba ngokukhanya. Every time I call your name, everything will start to change. Ngiyakholwa ngiyazi, you will never fail me. Ngiphakamisiwe, ngiphakamisiwe. From the ground now I'm lifted high. Ngiyakubiza somandla. And it came right on time. Umoya wephukile, not anymore. Now I'm dancing, I'm restored. Ngiyazi kuwe akukho kwehlulayo. With you Lord, I'm unstoppable. If you did it for me, you can do it again. Ngiyakholwa, ngiyakholwa. Hands up, let me see you rise. Leave your worries, leave your cries. Ngiphakamisiwe namuhla, this is my victory time. Ngiphakamisiwe, ngiphakamisiwe. Somandla, somandla. Ngiyakubiza. Somandla, somandla. Ngiyakubiza. Ngiphakamisiwe. Now I'm living in your light. Ngiyakubisa somandla. You have changed my life, hey. Umoya wephukile. Now I sing all the glory I will bring. Ngiyazi kuwe akukho kwehlulayo. Forever I will testify. Ngiphakamisiwe.